Motion detection can be enabled on the camera to identify changes in pixels within the video frame. The frame is divided into multiple small areas called regions of interest, or ROIs. Each ROI monitors pixel changes, which may indicate localized object movement within the scene. This mechanism forms the basis for tamper detection, alerting the user if the camera is moved, misaligned, or deliberately covered to obstruct its field of view.
In this video, we review the NVR interface where motion detection is configured. You can define the detection sensitivity, set the regions of interest within the frame, and specify that motion detection applies only to selected areas. This video is part of our first training course. In the second part of the video, we demonstrate that motion-based recording starts only when movement occurs within the area configured for motion detection. This shows how the system switches from time-based recording to motion-based recording. When we switch to the playback interface, motion events are highlighted in yellow, making them easy to distinguish from time-based recordings on the timeline. In this video, we show how to configure tamper detection in the NVR interface. We set the NVR to send a push notification, play a sound notification via the NVR's RCA output, and display a full-screen video of the tampered camera if the camera is covered or moved, preventing full access to its original field of view. When the camera's field of view is covered, a full-screen video of this affected camera appears on the NVR's local interface, along with a push notification sent to the Cam2 app to report this critical tampering event. In the second part of the video, we demonstrate how to configure notifications when an IP camera is disconnected from the NVR due to tampering or any other loss of communication. Once the camera is disconnected, an alert message appears on the local screen, and the push notification is sent to the Cam2 app.
By now, we have learned how to trigger video recording based on motion detection anywhere in the frame. But Provision ISR also offers a more advanced and localized motion detection search mechanism. This mechanism allows for a very precise search within the frame, detecting motion not across the entire image, but within a specific, defined area of the scene. For example, if there is continuous activity in one area of the frame throughout the day, monitoring the entire frame would generate hundreds of motion events. However, by focusing on motion within a specific area of the frame, the number of events is significantly reduced, saving valuable search time since the Provision ISR NVR can narrow the search down to that precise area.
Each time we select one of the yellow marked events on the timeline, motion is visible in the frame. However, as already evident from the timeline, the large number of motion events can make searching for a specific moment quite time-consuming. When we open the motion detection settings, the ROI, or region of interest areas, are highlighted in red whenever motion is detected within them. This is the key to enabling a more precise search later, allowing us to locate motion events occurring in a specific area of the frame. Let's now proceed with a localized search. Click the Smart Playback button. In this mode, the timeline changes its color scheme. Motion events are shown in blue, while other events, such as analytics or continuous recording, are displayed in white. To focus only on motion events, we can hide the white events. Next, click the motion icon and select the Draw Grid option. This opens a tool that allows you to define the exact area within the frame where motion should be detected. If you select an area with frequent activity, you will still see many events on the timeline. However, by choosing an area with minimal expected movement, the number of motion events is greatly reduced, making it much easier to find the specific event you are looking for.